I, as I told you before, that I do nothing. So, do you guys have any question?
You done?
Yeah.
Yeah, this guy, what, have nothing to say about after 75 years. I mean, they have no vocabulary, no anything, no statement about nature. So if you have respect him, just ask him question.
Okay, just ask a question.
So I have a question for
Okay, you don't have any question, it's good.
don't you think that your contribution for this country, like obeying the regulations, the laws, and not disobey traffic lights, traffic lights, don't break the rules, like traffic lights, whenever when it's red you have to stop, when it's right, when it's green you have to go straight away. And then don't you think that the contribution for this country is the smallest contribution is not committing crime, right? Not committing crime, obeying the regulations, the laws. I think this is the least contribution. What do you think about that?
Yeah, I do agree with you.
What else can you add to it?
I just think even I say that I want to contribute for our country, but as I told you before, that I do nothing for our country. I just keep thinking about that, and I just keep thinking what can I do for our country. But in reality, I do nothing.
Yes.
Yeah, even I learn history because I respect our heroes, and I know how to get freedom. It's really hard, actually. It's not easy, and sometimes when we learn history or when we read the book of history, we will inspire by them, and they sometimes sacrifice their soul, their money, and so much more, but we don't even think about them. I mean, we don't really respect about them. Sometimes we don't learn about them. Yeah, I think that's all.
Right. Any other questions?
But we have a hope, actually. Yeah, we just think what can we do next time. I mean, so far we do nothing, but probably someday we will do something.
Alright, any question? You got a question, right?
Okay,
You have question?
we have to close this discussion.